Alright, we just arrived to Newport. We saw a Ferrari just back up into someone. Let me see the video. Christian got it on video. Whoa.
Make sure you guys add me on Snapchat.
Let's go. We're gonna go check.
That was crazy. I can't believe that.
The lady's probably gonna be like, I didn't do it.
Bro, I know we should help him out. Bro, that was insane. There's no way that happened right in front of our eyes.
Bro, imagine we were behind it. I would have been like, oh!
That is fucking crazy.
What?
Are we going back?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go back. We need to at least like give them the footage.
Let's go get him.
Why was I filming?
Well, we were all.
I literally got like a crazy ass video. I was
I'm gonna check if this guy's okay because we do not want any false accusations of that he hit her.
I don't know if you should vlog right now. Hey, is everything good, bro?
Can you show that she?
Yeah.
Trying to say hi?
Yeah.
No, we can give you everything.
Hey, thanks for coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got you.
She's trying to say that you hit her?
She said I drove into her when she backed me.
No.
We have like three.
My car was in drive.
No.
I have the video.
We have 3 different videos.
No, I don't buy that. My car was in drive. I'm
Pull over right
driving down.
We'll pull over just to help him out.
Pull over right here. Pull over right here. That's
She thinks what? This girl
Dude, we
literally
saved
hit
this
the
guy.
car. We saved this guy. I'm glad we came back, bro.
Probably too close. Then
Yeah.
So you hit her too.
Oh, shit, that's insane.
There's not really damage.
Is there any damage?
There's a little scratch because she was going so slow back then.
Oh, is it?
I did not back into you. I'm sure you're all working together.
We do.
Please. Yeah.
I don't know.
You know,
I mean, I don't even
As a
know his name.
scam group.
A scam group?
The
Yeah.
Tesla has a video.
I have the video on my Tesla
She
too.
thinks I know you guys.
No,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I don't
For
even know his
sure.
name. I don't even know who he
Can I
is.
have your number?
Is there any?
Bro, I guess that's the damage.
Like it was so light. Like I don't think there's any damage.
I think this happens.
Nice everyone's okay.
Yeah.
You want to send her the video?
What was your name?
Oh, you don't need my name.
I don't need your name. You're giving it to him, but you're not giving it to me.
Well,
For like insurance purposes or?
I don't know. I think you guys are all working together.
Oh,
as a
why are you
part
getting
of
her
these
name down
scams.
if you don't know what you're getting it for?
Why?
You just asked for my name.
Because-
Dad.
You should be getting my name, not theirs.
Yeah.
'cause
No,
you
I
hit me.
got you.
we're not the ones that crashed into. We're just helping him out.
Did you get the video? Did you
Yeah.
record it?
So
Yeah.
I know you guys have it on.
Yeah, we
I
recorded
mean,
it.
we were just recording like for fun, because we do videos or we do YouTube, so that's what
She's
happened.
laughing.
With professional little setups here.
What do you mean? No, it's not a prank.
It wasn't a
She thinks it's a prank.
Oh, please.
No, what happened?
Really? I mean,
We literally saw your car rolling back.
my car was not rolling.
it's because the thing about
back.
these cars, I mean, you have to click the paddle shifter
I know
and it goes.
what you do to
Exactly. And when you stop, what does it
The car
do?
does not go into neutral when you come up to a stop sign.
So maybe you had neutral. I'm not saying it went to neutral.
All I know is my car did not move.
Yeah, his
They
car
have
was.
video of
Thing.
that.
Show her the video.
I can show you the video. Let me just make sure I save it.
She doesn't believe it. I don't know how you don't believe
It's
it.
like the reverse lights, they weren't on. It was just like
Send that to
it
me
was
first,
dead
please,
light.
right?
So
Yeah,
it
send
wasn't
her
neutral.
him first.
That's what happened.
And like
Yeah.
put the time that. Or
I'm trying to,
show
like,
the time.
Have
What's
it
the
without
timer
the
now?
caption. How can I?
Filming you, don't say anything to them. Right? They all got their cameras on you, they're just gonna
But
make
look
a
at their
show of
cameras
you.
even. They're like professionally
I know,
set
just
up.
Don't open your mouth.
Wait, who are?
Maybe she's on my phone.
Wait, who are you?
You guys can't park here.
What?
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
All right, so here, I guess I can't.
What?
All right, so look.
That is insane. A hot yoga guy came up to us and said,
I got the best video here.
Yeah. No, that's good enough.
Look, you
Like,
can
my-
literally
my
see-
wheels
you can
don't
see your
move.
wheel. No reverse light as well.
I have it on my Tesla.
And why would I be honking if I'm running into you?
Show her the video.
Would you like to see the video?
Can you send it to me first, just in case she deletes it?
No,
Yeah.
we're leaving. Do you have everything you want? I have what I want.
You don't want the video?
We'll gladly send it, like, without a doubt.
If you want the video, I can send it to you. I don't have a problem.
No, you don't need to have my
Okay.
information.
That sounds good. It's weird that you asked for my information.
What?
It's weird that you asked for my information.
You're giving out your phone number to him.
We're helping him out.
You said I knew them.
We're a
Why would-
witness.
You're just gonna leave?
So if we never arrived here, it would have been
You
his
want-
fault.
you
Is that
wanna
what you're trying to
call
say?
the police? Is that what you want to do?
Did you get the video?
Yeah.
I mean, as long as you have like her driver's license. Or
Yeah, I mean, you don't really.
Yeah.
If you guys exchange
All
information,
you need
you
to
could
do
leave.
is
submit it
exchange
to insurance.
information.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
I've never hit someone before.
Yeah.
Or been hit, so I don't really know.
No,
what to
as
do.
long as you got her insurance or license, did you get that?
Yeah. And
Alright.
then whenever you upload that,
Oh, what an idiot. How stupid.